Hello everyone. Hi. Today we will see introduction to Python. So Python is a powerful high-level object-oriented programming language created by Gideon Van Rossum. So today in market we see Python is a booming language because it is very simple to use. Syntax is very straightforward. And for beginners, those who want to learn about computer programming languages, it is the best platform to start first. So we have a lot of mm, frameworks, libraries existing in Python, wide range of applications. For web development, we can create using web frameworks like Django, Flask, Bottle, etc. So if you want to do any scientific and mathematical computing, you can use Python using Orange, SciPy, NumPy libraries, etc. If you want to GUI, desktop GUI using Pygame Panda 3D. And if you want to know about Python histories, you can pause the video and look into it. Why they created Python, why Guido created a Python, and when he created in 1991. Before why he created it and why the name called Python. So please pause the video. Let's jump into next chapter, which is very interesting. How to install Python on Windows machine.
Download Python version. It is 3.6.5. It is the latest version of Python. So please go to python.org/downloads where you can see latest version of Python. This is a button, download Python 3.6.5. Please click on it. So once you clicked it, it will start downloading it. Since I have already downloaded, I'm cancelling it. So I go to path where I have already downloaded. So it is C colon GitHub Python where you can see Python.3.6.5. So just double click on it to start initialization. So this will be a environment path where you can add Python. So enable it. Go to custom installation. If you install clicking on this, it default try to install on your profile path where it is local slash program slash Python. So go to uh, custom installation, check whatever you required it, documentation, papers used to download and install your libraries from Python. So click on next. So as of now, this is the installation location. So I am going to change it to my C colon where it will say my installation folder as Python 36. It is 3.6. Okay. So I'm going to click on install. So it takes at least 5 minutes to install all libraries to make your setup ready. It is all against your hardware how fast it is. So let me pause this video until it gets installed. Okay, welcome back. Successfully got installed. Great. Okay, let's close this. We shall go to our installation path. C colon 36. Since I have already 2.7, you have a folder here. So go to Python 36. Ooh, got installed. Great. Fine, let's open idle. Go to search box, find idle. So this is my 2.7 idle. So this is my 3.6 idle. Let me open it. Wow, I got my 3.6.5 idle print. Hello world. Wow, I got it. I got I said hello to my world. So guys, this is how we have to install Python 3.6.5 version on your Windows machine. Oh, hope it was good. Let's catch you on next video.